In this video, I will show you how to collaborate on Instagram. So if you want to collaborate on Instagram, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we are going to open our Instagram app, and then from here, we are going to make a post. So we're going to click on the plus icon down below. So let's go ahead and click on this. Let's say we have selected this plant that we want to make a post of. Then we can just add some music to it. We can add a filter to it. We can add some text to it as well. Just go ahead and create it as you like. And after you finish, you can just go ahead and click on next in here. And in order to collaborate on Instagram, you need to click on tag people in here. And in here, you will see this option, invite collaborators. So you can just go ahead and click on this. And now it says invite a collaborator. And if they accept, their username will be added to the post. So this is how this works. Now you can just fill in a name in here. So I'm just going to do that. So let's say I want to add this account as a collaborator, and then I'm going to click on this. And then as you can see, if they accept, my post will be shared to their followers and they'll be shown as an author of the post. So what you need to do now is you need to click on done. And then you see that there is someone tagged in your post as a collaborator. And then you can just go in and click on share. And that is basically how this works. So the person you have tagged will now receive a notification, and you can see that down below. You can see that the collaborator did not accept it yet, but when they accept, you will see that in here. And then at the top, the name will change to your name and the name of the collaborator. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.